I am just gonna talk to you because it's been a while. I haven't made a video because I'm sort of on vacation from YouTube and from actual work. So I wanted to talk to you guys about the forest of my youth. I'm on a campground right now. It's called Cedar Creek Campground. It's in New Jersey, and it's a place I come back to every year. Now, if you don't know the story of my life, really quick, I was born in Tacoma, Washington. I was an Army brat. But we moved to McGuire Air Force Base, which is in New Jersey. And most of my early youth was spent in the area of New Jersey. So the forest you're looking at right now is the forest of my youth. And it's a bit different from where I live now in Quebec, Canada. The trees are a lot larger. The vegetation is rich. They don't call this place the Garden State for nothing. So I've been laying off a lot of stuff. I've been laying off photography. And photography, I mean, I could sometimes you don't even need to pay me to do it. I just love it so much. But I still have been trying to take it easy on photography. I haven't been working. I've been getting calls for contracts, and I haven't been taking them too much. So what I wanted to talk about today was a bit where I'm from, so you can see where it is and look in the background and talk about the whole idea of stopping. Just stopping. Why I think to stop is a cool thing. And I think stopping is good because it allows you to open up your mind to other things. Because no matter how much you do something that is really your passion, and something that you could even do in your spare time that you just love and adore doing, you still need a break from it. For two reasons. It'll make you realize that there are other things in the world, and it'll also make you realize the value of what you do and how cool it is when you go back to doing it and you experience that thing. As they say, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Well, there's people walking, early birds all over the place, kind of cool. So I'm going to give you a couple, as personal as this sounds, I'm going to show you a couple of snapshots of my vacation. I used the XT20 during the whole vacation with only two lenses, 35 f2 and the 18 to 55. 18 to what? 18 to 55. I hope you guys enjoy. A lot of this stuff is more personal pictures, but there's some artistic stuff in there I think that are really nice. So there was the slideshow, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, everybody, keep on making something. from nothing.